Something's happening to curls. It's Conair's Curl Secret. Revolutionary. Hair goes in, curl comes out. Easy, fast, fabulous. Curl Secret, only from Conair. The secret to perfect curls.
The Infiniti Pro by Conair Curl Secret.
You can get perfect, amazing, beautiful curls.
This is definitely way faster and easier than using a regular curling iron.
So the Curl Secret has 3 different timer settings. It has 12 seconds, 10 seconds, and 8 seconds. And then it has a heat setting for high or low. This way you can customize your look whether you want loose curls, medium curls, or tight curls.
So you want to make sure that the open chamber, the side with the circle, and the printing that says this side towards head is always facing your head. This is definitely way faster and easier than using a regular curling iron because it basically just curls everything automatically and it times how long it holds the curls.
You want to take anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch section.
Lay the hair flat across the chamber.
Clamp, and it twirls it into the chamber. 1 beat, 2 beat, 3 beat, 4 beat, and then release. And look at that, a perfect curl.
I've started using it more recently because it's awesome for when you're in a rush and you still want to curl your hair. It's literally so easy.
It gives me perfect curls every time.
Okay, now I'm going to section the hair. What you don't want to do is to take a section that's bigger than about 3 centimetres. This side of the appliance, where you can see the open chamber, has to be facing the head. You then take the section, place it straight across inside and clamp down. When you clamp down, you need to let go and you're going to hear it rolling into the chamber. You're also going to hear the beeps, and we're going to get 4 beeps before it's ready. When you hear the beeps in succession, that means that that curl is ready and you can release it. And you can see how I'm taking this a little bit higher, especially around the front section. I'm going to go again into the hair, let go, allow the beeps. You get 4 beeps when you're working with 10 seconds. And when you release, make sure you open it up fully and allow the curl to release like that. So what I'm going to do first of all is to just create a little bit of volume, so you're going to get that more of a wave curl effect all the way through. And what I'm going to do is to just put her head back as well, and then just rake through the hair very gently with my fingers, so you can see incredible volume and definition that you're going to get on this type of hair. And there you have, fantastic.
guys, so I want to come on real quick and do a review on this new 3-barrel waver I just got from Amazon, and I'm so excited, you guys. This thing is so fun to do your hair. It's quick, it's easy, it's for everybody. So like I said, this is gonna be perfect for anybody's hair, but especially mine because it's long and thick. So because it has the 3 barrels and it's so wide, this is gonna take no time at all to do my hair, which is really, really exciting. So one of the features that I love is that it's so easy to use. So it has 3 buttons and it has a really nice blue LED display so you can see exactly if it's turned on, what temperature it's at, and all of those things. So there's 3 buttons, and this button, it shows that it's off, and then you just want to hold it down, and that's going to turn it on. This is going to set your temperature from 0 to 230 degrees Celsius in a matter of 60 seconds, which is amazing because if you're in a hurry and you need your thing to heat up really quick, this is gonna do that. So you guys, aside from this heating up incredibly quick, like I said, 0 to 60 seconds, that's amazing. This also has a smart chip built in, so it's going to automatically shut off in 60 minutes, which is awesome. I love that safety feature. If you're running late and you forget to shut this off, you don't have to worry about when you get to your destination that anything's gonna catch on fire or your counter's gonna burn because this automatically shuts off, and I love that. Okay guys, so I wanna do a demonstration and show you how simple it is to create those beautiful S-shaped curls, beach curls, waves, all of those beautiful things. Like I said, for my hair, because it's longer and thicker, this is gonna go super quick. Short hair, anything that you wanna do. And again, because you can change the temperature so effortlessly because the buttons are all right here, you can do that too. I love how simple it is. I love how these tips are plastic, and so you don't have to worry about burning your hands if you need to hold it there. I love the ergonomic handle design. They thought of everything. So I'm gonna do a demonstration and show you guys real quick. So with this kit, you guys, you get a safety glove, which I really, really love. So if you're not used to using this barrel and you're new at it, you can put that on and it's gonna protect your hand. You also get this clip, and that's gonna section off your hair to do the beautiful sections, to do those beautiful curls. And then after, you get this really nice clip if you wanna put your hair up with it. So let's get started. All right guys, let's start off by sectioning your hair and then taking however big or small sections that you want. And like I said, just work your way down. It's so easy and effortless. And then just go from one end to the other. Sometimes you can leave the ends out, and that gives it a little bit more of a natural beachy look. Grab the next section, and like I said, just keep that on for a few seconds and then just work your way down the barrel all the way to the ends of your hair. All right, let's finish off this other side just so you guys can see the final product and how beautiful and bouncy the curls are. Another thing, you guys, you can always try that glove on, and once it's on and fully hot, you can touch it and it doesn't burn your hand at all. So you can see how nice it would be when you do your hair, the safety. As you guys can see, it was so fun and effortless to make these beautiful S bouncy curls. I love the shine. I love the feel of it. Like I said, it comes with this nice little clip that you can stick in your hair and dress it up, and I absolutely love that. It's super beautiful, you guys. Dress this style up, dress it down, make it casual, beachy, fun. I absolutely love this. This is gonna go with many different occasions and many different styles. I hope you guys learned something in this video. Go get yourselves your own 3-barrel waver. You're gonna be so excited. It's incredibly fun, effortless like you saw, and it gives you such beautiful results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.